How to hide how many friends you have on Facebook. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Then, tap on the Settings icon at the top right corner. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Go to How people can find and contact you. Then, tap on Who can see your friends list under your friends. Over here, you can choose who can see your friend list. Select Only Me. Then, tap on Save below. This means that only you can view your friends list on Facebook. Following these steps, you can easily hide how many friends you have on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.